Today, I'm chatting with Jeff Winter, Vice President of Business Strategy at Critical Manufacturing. Jeff's been at the forefront of Industry 4.0, digital transformation, and ranked #1 in the world by Analytica, #1 in the world by Manufacturing Digital Magazine. He's extremely active on LinkedIn with over 70 million views.
Industry 4.0 is, you could argue it's today and it's still the future. My real focus is on advancing the manufacturing industry as a whole.
How do you help companies set those large goals without losing sight of what they can realistically achieve?
The biggest thing I want to make sure companies don't do is,
How do you sort of look inwardly as an organization and know whether they're actually ready to make the leap into that digital transformation journey?
I kind of like to focus on three areas. Measuring ROI on IoT investment can be a challenge for some companies.
What have you seen has changed in those conversations about digital transformation from now to, say, 3, 4, 5 years ago?
So it is shaping the conversations in many different ways. Great leaders don't just approve projects, they believe in them. Breaking down those traditional silos is where most digital transformations either fly or die.